Hey, welcome back to another Style It Yourself DIY Wix website design tutorial. I'm your hostess, Sarah Michaels, and in the video today, I want to show you really quickly and easily how to create an interactive, like testimonial, full-length slideshow for your Wix website. So this one happens to be for a client website that we're working on, and you're going to be using a couple different elements for this, okay? So what you want to add in first is you want to go to the full width slideshow elements. So when you open up the element editor here, you're going to go to the interactive option, and I want you to select one of these. So the box that I chose to add was this one right here. I like the little arrows on the side. It doesn't really matter because we're going to change the background. So don't worry about the images, the text, anything like that. We're going to change the whole thing up there. So just select the box with the one that you like the best, like the style, the arrows, whatever it is. Okay, the second thing that you're going to want to add is I want you to grab a strip and add a classic strip. It's full length, it's a single color, and I'll show you why in a second. Okay, so the first thing that I did here was I clicked on the overall element, and I went in to change slide background, and I selected the color that matches the website. I'm going with a single color for a testimonials background. Now you can do one of two things. You can either go do this individually on every page, or you can click on the Manage Slides button. You can go ahead and delete slides slides 2 and 3. If you want every slide to be different or have a different image, then obviously this is where you would be entering in a different image on each one. I don't want that. I want it to only look like the text box is changing. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add in 4 testimonial boxes for now. So I'm just going to, well, let me show you something first, by the way. So if I don't want to have to position testimonials in the exact same spot on every single slide, one of the workarounds for that is to add a strip directly above the interactive slideshow box. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to change the color so it matches the same color of the interactive box. And then I'm just going to pull the testimonials word up above and attach it to the strip that's directly above this full-length slideshow right here. Okay, so then I don't have to worry about making sure it's in the same spot or, looking funny or load times or anything like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and shorten up the size of this testimonial box. And then I can go ahead and I'm going to add in some text on the top. I'm going to make sure that the text matches the overall style of the website, and I'm going to go ahead and do like a size 18. And then I'm going to edit the text. I'm going to turn this font white because I have a bright background, and I'm also going to center it. Okay. So now that I have that centered, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Manage Slides, and I'm just simply going to click on Duplicate and Duplicate. And that way, this little testimonials box here, when I preview it, it will automatically cycle through all of these testimonials. And it doesn't look like it's changing because it's the exact same words, but that's how I personally like to add in a testimonials box to my website really quick, really easily using these strips and an interactive slideshow box. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead. If you're watching this online, give it a thumbs up. I will post some links down below. If you want to join the full course of Style It Yourself, where you get access to me asking questions, or if you have a question you can't figure out and you'd like to book a one-on-one session with me, you can go ahead and do that down below in the description as well. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create. I'll see you in the next video.